Why so many birds, guys? Why so many birds? Look at this. So this is my telekinesis. My telekinesis where I manifested a whole bunch of birds back in time. And then I manifested the bird to come right up to the camera. Bird, 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 bird. Bird, 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 bird. I even saw a bird and it disappeared in the sky. Bird, 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 bird. Where'd it come from? Just disappeared, teleported. Okay? Bird. Where did it come from? I'm telling you. Manifestation, guys. Where'd the bird go? It just disappeared. I'm not even like, look at this. Look at this. I'm not even checking this. I'm not checking to see what's going to happen. I'm just manifesting. I'm just materializing. And so what happens? Start moving the energy. Start expecting. Start observing. Collapsing quantum possibilities into this kind of thing. All right? Crazy how there was all that activity. Now where's the activity? Oh, where did that come from? It's a black dot. Another black dot, but it's a bird. It's materializing, guys. I'm materializing things. Boom. Just gone. Just disappeared. Where'd the bird go? Is it in the water somewhere? No. Just disappeared. That's all. So manifestation and disintegration of these birds. Kind of crazy. Bird. Very powerful stuff going on, guys. And I keep telling you that and I would do it live. I think you know by now, if you've watched my channel, you've watched enough videos on my channel, that when I say I would do this or I would do that, and then I follow it up by a video where I actually do that thing, hopefully what this does is it begins to solidify the idea that I have a certain amount of integrity when I say I'm going to do something, that especially when it comes to like this telekinesis type stuff. I just make it happen, right? I just make it happen. So this is magic, guys. This is real magic. Basically shifting probabilities, um, shifting timelines, that kind of thing, in order to, an occasional bird, that's okay. But when you have birds and then the birds disappear, and when birds um, show up out of nowhere, in one of the videos that's uploaded by another telekinetic, bird just disappeared where my pointer is, right around there, just disappeared. All right. So in another video, another telekinetic made a bird appear, materialize. And I did 2 videos of his. I did one normal speed, and then I did one where I focused in on where he slowed down his video. So this is one of the things you could do with telekinesis. All right, blessings, guys.